Hello bachcho, let us read the question first. Which of the following is showing the correct sequential order of vertebrae in the vertebral column of human beings? Option A, cervical, lumbar, thoracic, sacral, coccygeal. Option B, cervical, thoracic, sacral, lumbar, coccygeal. Option C, cervical, sacral, thoracic, lumbar, coccygeal. Or option D, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, coccygeal. सो इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है द करेक्ट सीक्वेंशियल ऑर्डर ऑफ द वर्टिब्रे प्रेजेंट इन द वर्टिब्रल कॉलम एंड हेंस हम जो कंसेप्ट यूज करेंगे दैट विल बी द वर्टिब्रल कॉलम. सो जो एक वर्टिब्रल कॉलम होता है इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ स्मॉलर यूनिट्स कॉल्ड एज वर्टिब्रे. और एक ह्यूमन बॉडी में वी कैन सी 26 वर्टिब्रे जो रन करती हैं फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द स्कल एंड फॉर्म्स द कंप्लीट फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द बॉडी. मोर ओवर जो 26 वर्टिब्रे होती हैं दे आर कनेक्टेड यूजिंग अ वर्टिब्रल डिस्क विच मीन्स दो एडजेसेंट वर्टिब्रे कनेक्टेड होती है with each other with the help of intervertebral disc. Continuing, ये जो 26 vertebrae हैं इन्हें differentiate करा जाता है into 5 types on the basis of their location. So the first type is the cervical vertebrae. जो cervical vertebrae होती हैं they are 7 in number. Almost in every mammal जो cervical vertebrae होती हैं इनका number 7 ही देखा जाता है. Moreover, they help in providing support to the head and also protect the spinal cord like other vertebrae. Secondly is the thoracic vertebrae. इनका जो number होता है that is 12 and also they provide the attachment site for the ribs because जो thoracic vertebrae होती हैं they have the presence of two articulation surfaces जिसके थ्रू जो रिब्स होते हैं दे अटैच्ड टू thoracic vertebrae dorsally and forms the rib cage. इसीलिए thoracic vertebrae shows bicephalic nature due to the presence of two articulation surfaces for the attachment of ribs. Thirdly is the lumbar vertebrae. जो lumbar vertebrae होती हैं they are one of the strongest and the largest vertebrae because ये hold करती हैं हमारा complete body का trunk weight and they are 5 in number. Fourthly is the sacral. जो sacral होती है it is one and ये एक fused vertebrae होती है which means embryonic stage पे जो sacral थी they were 5 in number but जैसे कि body एक adult life में enter होती है तो they get fused to form one vertebrae. Similarly, the last vertebrae which is the coccygeal vertebrae इसे कहा जाता है as tailbone. It is also one in number and ये भी एक fused vertebrae है like the sacral vertebrae because at the time of embryonic life जो coccygeal vertebrae थी they were 4 in number but later in adult life they fused to form a single vertebrae. Hence, this is the sequential order of vertebrae present in the vertebral column of human beings, starting from the cervical vertebrae, then the thoracic, then lumbar, then sacral, and lastly is the coccygeal, जो extend करती हैं from the base of the skull to the lower body and forms the complete backbone of the skeleton. So if we return back to the options, so the correct order would be cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and lastly the coccygeal. Hence the correct answer is option D. So I hope you must have understood it well. All the best.